Look at here, friend. I have one question. Okay. So you have to find the acceleration of point P. You have to find the acceleration of point P. Okay. The alpha and omega. Alpha is equal to omega quantity wise is given 3 is equal to 3. Of course, unit will be different. So you have given alpha and you have given omega. We have to find the point acceleration of point P, and radius is given 5 centimeter. Okay. So for pure rolling condition, acceleration of point P O, you know that alpha r. Okay. I cap will be, this is the x axis, this is the y axis. Okay. Look at here. How can you find acceleration of point P? So right here, acceleration of point P is equal to acceleration of point O plus acceleration of point P with respect to O. Acceleration of point O, acceleration of point P will be acceleration of point O alpha r I cap plus acceleration of point P with respect to O. That means you have to fix the point O and locate at a point P. You have to fix at the point O and locate at a point P. This is the omega, or this is the alpha. This is the alpha r, or this is the omega square r. That means suppose alpha r direction have it t cap और n cap omega r direction, omega square r direction. ठीक है. So you can write here alpha acceleration of point P with respect to O. This is the alpha r t cap. This is the omega square r n cap. So this will be the what will be this? So this will be the what will be acceleration of point P with respect to O. So vector C equal to vector A plus vector B. Vector A plus vector B. So from vector law you can write alpha r I cap, t cap, sorry, and this is the t cap tangential direction, and omega square r n cap. You can write like that. Okay. Now plot all these things. You know that alpha r is 15 because alpha is given 3, r is 5, plus alpha r again 15 but in different direction t cap. Omega square r you have given. What is the omega square r? Omega square 3 3 ja 9 into r 5, 9 5 ja 45 n cap. So you don't know acceleration or direction of acceleration of point P. So you can draw all this. Look at here. Vectorial form, how can you write? Vector A plus vector B plus vector C equal to vector D. So vector is A is equal to 15 in I direction, 15 I direction, and 15 t cap. That means, look at here, if this is the 30 degree, then this is the 60 degree. Am I right? Okay, this is the 60 degree. That means with a horizontal, t cap direction is a 60 degree. So this is the horizontal and t cap direction have a 60 degree. Suppose this is the t cap direction and this length is 15 also. N cap direction is a perpendicular to this because n cap direction and t cap direction having perpendicular to the t cap direction. This is the n cap direction, and 45 length is there. So 45 length is there. 45 length is there. This is the n cap. Okay. So okay, now you have to find this length. What is, look at here, vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to vector D. That means acceleration of point P. That means you have to find this length. How can you find this length? Look at here, you join this line. This is, you know that 90 degree. This is the 15, this is the 45, and this will be the square root of 15 square plus 45 square, under root of both. So you will get 47.43 sorry, 47.43 43, this length you got this length. Okay, now you can find this angle also. How can you find this angle? Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, so 45 divided by 15, tan inverse answer. This is the 71 degree, you know that this is the 60 degree, this is the 71 degree. So 180 minus answer minus 60 degree, you will get this angle. This angle is a 48.43. Okay, now you know that this length, now you know that this length, now you know that one angle. If have in any triangle you have 3 data, then you can find any data of the triangle. So you can find the x, this length, suppose that this length is x, so cos 48.43, you can write this square plus this square, 15 square plus 47.43 square, am I right, minus x square divided by 2 into 15 into 47.43. So cos of 48.43 into 2 into 15 into 47.43, 15 square plus 47.43 square minus answer, square root of all these things. So you are getting for 39.112, x you are getting 39.112, or this is the x is your each acceleration of t. So if you want to find the direction, you can find also direction, because you got this length 39.112, you got this length. If you want to find this angle, so how you can find this angle? Look at here, sine law, sine phi by this length 47.13 is equal to sine 48.43 divided by this length is a 39.112. Then you can find the angle of what is acceleration of point P, making the acceleration of resultant acceleration of point P, making the angle with respect to the horizontal. You can find the phi also. So all these things you can. So you are thinking like that, why I am doing from the vector method? You can find also by other method, but you have to resolve the acceleration of point P, which is having two acceleration, tangential acceleration and centripetal acceleration. So you have to resolve in the x and y direction. That is why I didn't do like that. So this is the way you can find the acceleration of point P. In a hurry, student what will do? This is the alpha r direction, this is the alpha r angular velocity, this is the alpha r acceleration, and this is the acceleration of omega square r. Student what will do? This acceleration or this acceleration will do square, and इसको स्क्वायर करके दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे और स्क्वायर रूट चढ़ा करके दे देंगे आंसर, विच इज आप ऐसा यदि करते हैं तो आपको देखिए मिलेगा 47.43, जो गलत आएगा। इसको ध्यान में रखना है कि इस तरह से नहीं करना है। एक्सीलरेशन ऑफ सेंटर भी यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट करता है। ठीक है, थैंक यू।